Now, speaking a little bit in over their head, we got Prison Break out there in NO. It was 10 of them boys at first. I think they had bets going around, who's gonna get caught. It got two, man,
Yeah,
that's hanging in. One of these boys that reached out to Trump, man. Speaking of Trump, one of these boys say Trump, Wayne, man, look, showing his innocence, man. Is the
yeah,
cat
man,
going
them
about it the right
wrongfully
way?
accused. Man, listen, man, you gotta make the most of your moment, man. Like ain't nothing like fighting your case from the world. Cause when you in there, bro, you relying on everybody else to get your message out there. So
Yeah.
yeah, he going about it the right way. Like if you're gonna escape, man, this is what you need to try to do. At least try to maybe get somebody to appeal to what you got going on and understand and say, hey, well, maybe let's look into this. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because ain't nothing else to do but die.